Hi, today I'm going to open the big box with the puzzles from the Puzzle Master. The first puzzle is by Puzzle Master, it is called Honeycomb and the level of difficulty is 8 out of 10. We need to take apart and put back together. I'm not opening the puzzles right now, I'm going to make the special video about each puzzle, so we're not opening it right now. And here we can find different puzzles by the Puzzle Master. I've got this one, also I've got this one, this, and that's it. The next puzzle is by Hanayama, it is called Cast Ripple, the level of difficulty is 5 out of 6, I think, yes, it is 5 out of 6. The objective is to disassemble it and then assemble it back. The third puzzle is called Buccaneers Box, Secret Opening Box. We need to solve the puzzle to unlock this box. The level of difficulty is 7 out of 10. The next puzzle is Big Rig, Secret Opening Box. Solve the puzzle to unlock the box. The level of difficulty is 9 out of 10, so it should be really difficult. I've got this puzzle, this one, so I missed this, and this, 3 puzzles. 3 new puzzles by Yu Asaka. The first puzzle is called Freeze 14, the level of difficulty is 3.5 out of 5, and it looks like a snowflake and we need to put all the details inside the tray. The next puzzle is called Shuffle 17, the level of difficulty is 3 out of 5, it is a little bit easier. The puzzle number 17, it was made in December 2024. Target time 40 minutes. And we also need to put all the parts inside the tray. And here the target time also 40 minutes. The next puzzle is called Jigsaw 28. The level difficulty is 3 out of 5. And this is puzzle number 16. So I've got 15, 16 and 17. Target time 40 minutes and we need to put all the jigsaw parts inside the tray. The next puzzle is called Radio and it is also secret opening box. The next puzzle is called Radio and it is also secret opening box. The level of difficulty is 6 out of 10. And the last puzzle is called Clever Clock. The level of difficulty is 8 out of 10 and this is also secret opening box. It was just an unboxing video, I will make special video about each of these puzzles and also I will leave link to these puzzles on the Puzzle Master at the video description. And thanks for watching, see you next time!